Good day, sir and mom. I'm Mary Bernadette Rose Arabia, 27 years old. I graduated a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, a four-year curriculum. I'm a single mother with three kids, an eldest son and a twin daughters. Proud to say that our family is composed of three generations of twins, which my mother has a twin sister. I have also a twin sister and a twin daughters. In 2008 until 2009, I've been experienced as a supermarket surveyor in a Unilab company and a sales secretary in a motor sales company. I've been experienced as a local helper since 2009 until 2010. I serve three members of the family. My employer are teacher and lawyer with 7-year-old child. My duties and obligation are doing the household, such as cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, and wash the dishes. I can cook Filipino food like dessert or the viand and the simple food. I'm willing to learn more in Hong Kong, like the way they're living, the culture, their belief, the way they interact with the people. My reason for going to Hong Kong as domestic helper to support my children as well as to my family. My future employer, I promise to finish my 2 years contract and I try my very best to live up with your expectation and you'll be happy with my performance. I assure you, you won't regret in hiring me. I wish and pray that God will direct and guide me in all my endeavors and be successful in life. Thank you.
Okay, so just say where you are, Mary. No? So what is your name?
Mary Bernadette Rose.
Mary Bernadette Rose. So you have three names, huh? But usually your friends call you
Bernadette.
Bernadette. Okay. Bernadette. Okay. This is the first time to work abroad.
Yes.
Okay. You are a nursing graduate.
Yes.
For your course. And are you a registered one?
No.
Okay. So you have no plans of getting the board exam?
Maybe I plan, but not for now.
So your priority is to find jobs
Yes.
to work in
First.
Hong Kong. Okay. Why in Hong Kong?
Because it's in Hong Kong because I have many friends there.
But let's say if you have no chance of seeing your friends because you have, of course, your work with your employer.
Because it is near from the Philippines and even in my family you can visit there for me if then because in Hong Kong it's cheaper in living near in Philippines. Then with the salary of higher.
Okay, of course, the high salary, no? But you know, you must work on the high salary your employer will be paying you. Are you?
Yes.
So you think you can manage the pressures of hard work in Hong Kong?
Yes.
You mentioned that you have a twin daughter.
Twin
Two girls.
sister. Yes. All girls.
You have also a twin sister. Your mother, the twin
Sister.
sister also. So you are in the second. Your twin daughters are the third. Okay. Let's say this time you have also twin children to take care in Hong Kong. Is it okay with you?
Yes, it's okay for me.
And you're already familiar.
Yes.
Are you really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. But remember, your work is not only to take your children, but
Yes.
you need also to do all other household chores. How about in cooking? How good are you?
Put it on average.
Okay, but you can prepare food.
Yes.
If there's a recipe book or there's instructions in cooking, you can follow.
Yes.
Presently, are you working?
No.
You know work.
Yes.
So it means to say anytime Hong Kong employer needs you, you can go immediately.
Yes.
So what more your employer can expect from you if ever they will hire you?
Expect me.
They are a nursing graduate. Do you have any hospital experience or medical field or any?
Yes. My employer expect me to apply all my experience during the hospital, set up like taking the temperature,
So getting vital signs.
yes, taking the vital signs.
Temperature, what else?
Pulse rate,
What else? Blood pressure.
blood pressure.
You can also get.
Yes.
You also have to get.
Yes. I know how to insert the catheter.
Okay, if there's also a special person to take her, are you willing?
Yes.
A person that needs special attention, I mean,
Yes. Yes.
you're also willing.
Yes.
But which they prefer, small children or adults?
Both. I can do both.
Okay. So what can you promise to the employer if they will hire you?
I promise to stay long.
Of course, you need to finish the contract
2 years contract.
and you are willing to extend if given a chance.
Yes.
What else?
Then
Of course, you must be obedient, no? Must
Yes.
follow whatever rules and regulations necessary. Okay, good luck.